Welcome to Avonni Tutorials. Today, we are taking a look at prototyping actions using Avonni Designer. Actions in Salesforce enable users to do more, such as create or update records and log calls. That's exactly what you can prototype in Avonni Designer. Let's see how this works. Actions can be added in a highlight panel, a list view page, or in an activity panel. For example, let's say we are looking to prototype an action in a highlights panel inside this account page. We want to create a new contact action button. Let's select the highlights panel, and from the right panel, click on Add Action. As this new action doesn't exist yet, we are going to create a new one. From here, select the action type. In this example, as we want to create a new contact action button, the action type is Create a Record. Now, select a target object, in this case, Contact. And finally, let's add a label, which is the text that will be displayed on our button. Perfect! The new contact button is now set as an action. By clicking the button, we are now able to drag fields that will be part of this action. Fields are accessible from the left panel. Once completed, we can now close the modal box and switch to the preview mode to test our action. As we set the action type to create a record, we can actually fully simulate the contact creation process inside our prototype. And voila! That's a brief overview of prototyping actions using Avonni Designer.